Hi friends, here I am going to discuss about various temperature measuring scales, and I will also discuss how to convert a reading from one temperature scale to other scale. So these are the different temperature scales, so Celsius, Kelvin, Fahrenheit and Rankine. So Rankine is not widely used, but it is also one of the temperature scale, and I will also discuss a formula for converting one temperature scale to other scale easily and quickly. So you can convert centigrade to Fahrenheit, or centigrade to Kelvin, or Kelvin to Fahrenheit, Rankine to Fahrenheit. One scale to another scale, it can be easily converted. If you see the Celsius scale, so the freezing point of water is taken as 0 degrees centigrade. This is the reference for 0 degrees centigrade, and 100 degrees centigrade, this reference is boiling point of water. So at 100 degrees centigrade, the water boils, and there are 100 divisions between the freezing point of water and the boiling point of the water. And the other scale is Kelvin scale, which is also known as absolute scale. So why it is known as absolute scale? Because in this scale, so every temperature is reference with respect to the 0 Kelvin. So below 0 Kelvin there is no temperature in this scale. Whereas if you see in Celsius scale, so below 0 degrees centigrade also the temperatures are present. And this Kelvin scale is based on thermodynamic principle, and 1 Kelvin represents the same temperature interval as 1 degree Celsius. So the interval for the Kelvin scale and the Celsius scale is same, and freezing point of water for the scale is 273.15 Kelvin, and the boiling point of water is 373.15 Kelvin. And like Celsius scales, here also 100 divisions are present between the freezing point and the boiling point. And this is the conversion formula for converting the reading from one temperature scale to other scale. So temperature scale, so minus ice point temperature divided by the number of divisions between the ice point and the freezing point of water in that particular scale, equal to the temperature scale. So where we want to convert, other scale we want to convert, that scale minus ice point temperature divided by number of divisions between the ice point and boiling point of water in that particular scale. Here if you see the conversion for Celsius to Kelvin, here you can take this formula as this C, which is the temperature scale, minus 0 ice point temperature in that Celsius scale divided by the number of divisions, that is 100, equal to Kelvin, minus this is 273.15 is the ice point temperature in Kelvin scale, divided by the 100, that is the divisions between the ice point and boiling point of water in the Kelvin scale. If you see the conversion, it is coming around Kelvin equal to centigrade plus 273.15. So if you want to convert a centigrade reading to the Kelvin, it need to be added with 273.15 value. Suppose if you want to convert 100 degrees centigrade into Kelvin, so if you submit in this formula, we are getting around 373.15 Kelvin. And Kelvin is commonly used in industries for measuring the lower temperatures, that is cryogenic temperatures, and also extremely high temperatures. If you see the liquid nitrogen temperature, it is 77 Kelvin, and if you want to convert in centigrade, it is coming around minus 196.15 degrees centigrade. And similarly liquid hydrogen temperature, it is 33 Kelvin, and if in converting centigrade, it is minus 240 degrees centigrade. Liquid helium temperature is 4 Kelvin, and in degree centigrade it is minus 269.15. So these are the absolute temperatures at which various process occurs. These are the temperatures in Kelvin. This we have already discussed. Liquid helium is having 4 Kelvin, liquid hydrogen is 33 Kelvin, liquid nitrogen is 77 Kelvin. And if you see the surface of the sun, it is around 10,000 Kelvin, near about 10,000 Kelvin. And if you see the hydrogen bomb, it is around 100 million Kelvin. So extremely higher temperatures and extremely lower temperature, that is cryogenic temperatures, are expressed in Kelvin scale. Fahrenheit scale, so common example for this scale is our body temperature is commonly measured in Fahrenheit scale, and in Fahrenheit scale the freezing point of water is given as 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is the reference. So for 32 degree Fahrenheit is the reference is freezing point of the water. And 212 degree Fahrenheit, at this Fahrenheit temperature, so the water boils, and there are 180 degree divisions. If you see in Kelvin and centigrade, there are 100 divisions between this freezing point of water and the boiling point of the water. And if you want to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit scale, so the formula which I have discussed earlier, this centigrade minus 0 is the freezing point of water in centigrade scale divided by number of divisions. Here in Fahrenheit there are 180 divisions. So and the finally formula we are getting equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. These are the two scales. So 0 degrees centigrade in Celsius equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale. So this is the question. So at what temperature the Fahrenheit scale reading equal to the Celsius scale reading? This is the commonly and frequently asked question with respect to the temperature measurement. And as per this conversion, we got this formula F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. And if you submit F equal to C, we are getting around at a temperature of minus 40 degrees centigrade, both the values in the Fahrenheit scale and the centigrade scale are equal. Here you can see in this here. So at this 40 degrees centigrade, both the values in Fahrenheit scale and centigrade scale are equal. And the body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, and you need to convert into the Fahrenheit scale. This is the question. So and as per the formula, if you submit 37 in this formula, we are getting around 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So this is our average normal person body temperature. And if you want to convert Kelvin to Fahrenheit conversion, same formula if you apply. So K minus 273.15 by 100 equal to F minus 32 by 180. So you can convert, you are getting the formula. So by using this formula, you can convert from Fahrenheit to Kelvin easily and quickly. Rankine scale is the other temperature measuring scale, and this is also the absolute temperature scale like the Kelvin. And 0 in Rankine is the same as 0 in Kelvin. And the freezing point of water in this scale is 491.7 Rankine, and boiling point equal to 671.7. And like Fahrenheit, here the number of divisions are 180 between the freezing point and boiling point of the water. And if you want to convert Rankine to Fahrenheit, and this is the conversion formula. So by using the formula which I have discussed earlier, this formula has come. And comparison of the various temperature scales which we have discussed at Kelvin, degree centigrade, Fahrenheit and Rankine. So absolute 0 in Kelvin is 0, and in degree centigrade it is minus 273.15, and in degree Fahrenheit is minus 459.67, and in Rankine it is 0. And these are the ice point of water and the steam point of water in the different scales. And these are the temperature conversion formula which I have discussed. As a summary I am mentioning here. So this is Kelvin to temperature conversion, and Fahrenheit to centigrade, Fahrenheit to Kelvin, and Rankine to Fahrenheit. And one temperature scale to other scale can be easily converted by using the formula. So if you want to convert a 27 degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit, Kelvin and Rankine, so these are the formulas which you need to be used. Thank you for watching my video.